What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Keeping Up with Q. From the title of this video, you guys can tell that I'm going to be doing my updated DIY first slides for y'all. So I did this video like 2 years ago, and I did just the plain ones, and I told y'all 2 years ago I was gonna come back and do the multicolor. But today I am here to show y'all new methods that I've learned to do these slides, and I'm going to show y'all the multicolor that I've been telling y'all that I was gonna do. So before we get into this video, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up because I know y'all would enjoy it. Comment down below and let me know what you think, and also leave video ideas because they're always welcome. And lastly, subscribe to my channel to join the Q Mafia because I'm lit, y'all lit, so we can be lit together, period. Now let's get into this video. So this time around, y'all, I actually had to go out and buy slides because I didn't have any slides that I wanted to use. So I went to Walmart and I got these plain black slides for $7. And I went to Joann's again and I got my boa. So I'm going to be making two separate slides. So I'm going to be making my white ones again because after like 2 years, it was time to let those go. And I'm going to make a new pair. So that's going to be for one pair. And then for my multicolor, I'm going to be doing like this yellow or goldish color mixed with this white. So I think that's gonna look real cute. So you will need those slides, the boa, and then a glue gun. You can use the bigger one. I do have the mini. That's what we have in my house. I'll be using that. And then you'll need a pair of scissors as well. So the first pair of slides that I'm going to start off with is the multicolor slide. So with this one, you just want to decide what color you want to start with because you are going to have to keep the same pattern on both sides just so it looks, real, I guess. So for me, I start with the white and then I end it with the yellow. So you'll see that I took an extra piece of the white that I already had because I did the other slides first. But yeah, so I just made sure that it aligned with the actual length of the slide, and then I applied the hot glue to it, and then I pressed down the boa onto the glue just to make sure it would stick. And then you'll see that I followed through and I did the same thing with the other color. And one thing you'll notice is as I was doing it, I made sure that I cut extra off towards the end just so once I went through I could go through and cut it, but it would still look full and it wouldn't look like funny. So another important part to doing the multicolor slide is when you're doing these different colors, you do want to make sure that you're actually lifting the boa up so you're putting the next color as close as possible so you can have this look right here.
That's it?
So towards the end, you will see what I was talking about me leaving extra over the slide because my left side was a lot bigger than my right side. But what you do towards the end is cut off the excessive feather. So you'll notice at my final results, it looks less like poked out. Like, I don't really know how to explain it, but you'll see the difference. So now you'll see me doing the white slide, and the only difference from this and what I did in my first video was instead of doing it the long way, I did it instead of doing it sideways, I did it the long way. But I did this because I noticed with my other ones it was a little spacious, but with this I could make sure that there was like no space. And I feel like I was the only one that could see the space because it's my work, but you know, I just wanted to make sure that it didn't look spacey, so I just did it this way.
Baby, how's your day today? Ain't it the same? Every other word is a yeah, okay. Could it be that you are at the crib with another lady? You took it there, first of all, let me say, I am not the one to sit around and be played. So keep yourself to me, if I'm the girl that you claim. Why don't you say the thing that you said to me yesterday? You know we say that I am assuming things. So don't mind, so wait and see. You know the way I act the shame. Nobody's holding you back from me. You saying everything to me times two. I can't choose. Somebody said them to me. How would you like it if I came over with my friends and tried to